Bengaluru, 16th October 2025, the city's iconic shopping landmark, Mantri Square Mall, turned into a hub of festivity, fashion, and celebration as it unveiled the Grand Mantri Shopping Festival 2.0, themed 101 days of glamour gifting galore. One of Bengaluru's most awaited shopping festivals, this spectacular celebration promises endless offers, entertainment, and unforgettable rewards for every shopper walking through the doors of Mantri Square Mall. The atrium lit up in excitement as Bollywood diva Daisy Shah made a dazzling entry, greeted by an ocean of cheers, applause, and flashing cameras. The atmosphere was electric as she walked elegantly toward the event stage, escorted by the mall's team amidst the festive decor that truly captured the spirit of Diwali and celebration. On stage, Ms. Kamakshi Mantri, Chief Strategy Officer of Mantri Square Mall, and Mr. Robert Bhumyar, Mall Head, Mantri Square Mall, extended a heartfelt welcome to the Bollywood star. Smiles, greetings, and warmth filled the moment as Ms. Kamakshi Mantri presented a beautiful bouquet to Ms. Daisy Shah, followed by Daisy graciously reciprocating the gesture with bouquets to Ms. Kamakshi Mantri and Mr. Robert Bhumyar, marking a perfect start to this star-studded celebration. Following the phenomenal success of its debut edition, Mantri Shopping Festival 2.0 returns bigger, brighter, and even more rewarding, running from 10th October 2025 to 26th January 2026. Shoppers who spend 9,999 rupees or more get a chance to participate in weekly lucky draws, where 2 lucky winners every week will ride away on a brand new Java HD Roadster. And that's not all. Smartphones, refrigerators, washing machines, and many more exciting rewards await the top shoppers of each week. Speaking about the festival, Ms. Kamakshi Mantri, Chief Strategy Officer, Mantri Square Mall, said, "This annual shopping festival is something we put a lot of thought into. We design it to be grand, joyful, and memorable. Our theme, 101 Days of Glamour, celebrates the happiness of shopping, adding an extra spark to Bengaluru's festive season." Her words beautifully capture the essence of Mantri Square Mall, a place where celebration and style come together to create memories. From live music and cultural performances to themed decor and dazzling installations, Mantri Shopping Festival 2.0 transformed the entire mall into a spectacular world of color, sound, and joy. It's not just shopping, it's an experience that brings together families, friends, and fashion enthusiasts under one roof. With over 300 leading international and Indian brands, Mantri Square Mall offers an unmatched combination of shopping, dining, and entertainment. From trendy apparel and luxury accessories to gourmet cuisines and cinematic experiences, every corner of Mantri Square speaks of quality, elegance, and festive delight. As the grand launch concluded, Ms. Daisy Shah, Ms. Kamakshi Mantri, and Mr. Robert Bhumyar thanked Bengaluru's shoppers for their overwhelming love and participation. The event marked not just the beginning of a shopping season, but the celebration of happiness, style, and togetherness. With 101 days of glamour ahead, Mantri Shopping Festival 2.0 promises to make every day brighter, every purchase more rewarding, and every visit to Mantri Square Mall truly unforgettable. The trio then inaugurated a magnificent Diwali Diya installation, a grand visual spectacle representing happiness, light, and togetherness. As the glowing diyas filled the atrium with their warm golden glow, the moment truly embodied the festive spirit that Bangalore loves.
On to the beauty of Diwali. Happening is when you think from a brand point of view, they give you 10 days discount, 15 days of discount because they want to rush you out of your house to come buy and utilize the offer. But as a mall, we are not looking to pressurize you. Ki in 10 days only you have to do the shopping. As a mall, we want you to enjoy because there are so many occasions coming up. There is Diwali, like I said, Christmas, holidays, New Year. On New Year, many people have, I want to go buy new clothes on the first day of the year. No brand is on sale that time necessarily. So, we want you to enjoy. There is no this thing ki only 10 days mein karo. 101 days mein anytime you come, you shop anything, we are going to gratify you.
Single person what they're looking for. If you ask me personally, apart from shopping, it's the experience that I really look forward to, and I think Monthly Mall is providing that, and it definitely captures the spirit and the essence of Diwali beautifully, the way I see it right now. And as she said that it's 101 days, so you don't really have that only 10-15 days that जाना है shopping करना है क्योंकि इसके बाद discount नहीं मिलेगा. You have good amount of time to even do your R&D, then go back home, come back again, probably have a coffee or have some food, and then sleep over it. Next day you come back. It's like that. So I just feel that like when it comes to shopping, for me there's no full stop. I will just go on shopping. That is me. But for me, as I said, experience matters, and I think Monthly Mall is providing that. Please give me some
so that you can
Kannada
get an
words.
offer. You can get an offer. Anyway, we would like to see
I
you
would
in the
love to.
South movies also.
Adding to the excitement, Bollywood diva Daisy Shah, along with Miss Kamakshi Mantri and Mr. Robert Bhumyar, unveiled the stunning Java Yejdi Roadster bikes, the grand prizes of this season's Spend and Win shopping contest. These gleaming bikes stand as the ultimate rewards for lucky winners who shop and celebrate at Mantri Square Mall this festive season. This is Umesh Kumar, reporting from Mantri Square Mall, Malleshwaram, Bangalore, bringing you the excitement and sparkle of the Mantri Shopping Festival 2.0, where shopping meets celebration.
Hi, this is Robert here. I am the mall head for Mantri Square Mall. I first of all wanted to wish a happy Diwali to everyone and inform and invite all the customer to do the shopping. There's a 101 days shopping extra Dhamaka. And in short, I want to tell there'll be a total Dhamaka in this mall. You need to come shop and there is a bumper prize. After 101 days, there's a bumper prize, two gorgeous looking, bikes to be given to the two lucky customers. Thank you once again. Happy Deepavali.
Hi. Hi, I'm Kamakshi Mantri and I'm the Chief Strategy Officer at Mantri Developers. We are very happy to inaugurate a 101 day shopping festival, Mantri Shopping Festival. for the next 101 days starting from today. You shop in the mall and you earn. Every slab has some gifts, vouchers for you to take away, and you can win a washing machine, a refrigerator, two bikes also we have on display, and sofa sets. Many gifts are up there for grabs, so come take it. And we're all waiting for you to come shop with us at Mantri Malls. Thank you.
I am super happy to be here. Super excited to kickstart this entire festival. And so one thing that I read before becoming a part of this particular campaign is that it's for everybody, छोटे से लेके बड़े तक. Whether you are looking for entertainment, whether you're looking for food, whether you are looking for just relaxing or shopping, obviously. So Mantri Mall has got it covered from everywhere. So it's like one-stop shop. You don't really have to think ke yahan jaye ya wahan jaye. This is the place to be at.
Thank you.